Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to use your tablet as an additional monitor. So step 1, download Space Desk on your computer. You see that there are several downloads buttons. Pick the one that corresponds to your version of Windows. Windows 11 64 bits or Windows 8.132. Step 2, open the spacebar installer once the download has finished and follow the on-screen instruction to finish the installation. Step 3, open the Space Desk in the Google Play Store on your tablet and tap install. It will take a minute or two to download and install. Step 4, connect your Android device to Wi-Fi. If it is not already, it needs to be the same network that your computer is using. Step 5, open Space Desk on your computer, tablet and on your computer. Step 6, on your tablet, tap your window computer from the list. Step 7, a few moments later, your Windows desktop will appear on your Android tablet. You can use it just as you would a second or third monitor. Space Desk support touch input on the Android tablet as well. You can further customize the experience in Windows display setting. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.